हाँ गाइस, तो हम लोग रैंडम टॉपिक्स पे बात कर रहे हैं आज। हम
Starting with
लोग
memories
सोच रहे हैं
from the
कि
village.
हाँ, बचपन की ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है, कोई जैसे चॉकलेट कैंडी या कुछ हो गया। मुझे तो वो पार्ले की जो चॉकलेट आती थी, रेड कलर का कवर आता था, वो बड़ी याद आती है। कभी कभी मज़ा आता था खाने का।
कौन से ज़माने की बात है ये?
आई थिंक दिस वाज अर्ली 90s। आई थिंक
I
2000s
think
में
you
भी
still
मिलती
get
थी।
it. You still get that.
हाँ, अर्ली
Yeah.
2000 में भी
पार्ले
मिलती
जी
थी।
इन रेड।
No,
पार्ले
no,
जी बिस्किट
Parle
नहीं,
chocolate.
पार्ले का एक चॉकलेट आता था रेड कलर का।
Oh, now I
yeah,
remember.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I remember that.
I used to
Whatever.
love the mango toffee,
The mango bite.
the mango bite.
Yeah.
Mango
I
bite.
used to
मैंगो
love
बाइट, मैंगो बाइट तो अभी भी मिलती है नहीं?
Hmm.
हाँ.
हाँ, मैंगो
Still.
बाइट।
You can get the parle one.
आई थिंक अभी जो ये वाली है वो ग्रीन कलर की कौन सी आती है, आम की, आम
Oh, kacham.
कच्चा
Kacha.
The
That's
jaljeera in the middle.
That's Pulse, yeah.
I don't
Oh,
know.
that's pulse.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Yeah.
that's pulse.
पल्स
You
One
guys
thing that I would like to bring back is bites, Cadbury bites.
ओह या आई रिमेंबर।
Cadbury bites. Oh, the
Yeah.
the small wafer.
So there was
And
a
it has a
wafer.
lot of chocolate inside.
Yeah,
with small
inside. Yeah,
bites.
exactly. So
Oh,
I don't
That
know.
was
I
actually
never had
good.
that.
Yeah, that was pretty.
But
good.
that was too expensive for the amount of things they gave.
Yup.
It was like a small
Small
packet,
packet,
10
small
rupees,
packet.
and बस थोड़ा
वो
दूर.
Like
लेस
Kit
के
Kat?
जैसा तो नहीं होता था ना कि आधा
Worse
आधा
than
करके
No,
Lay's.
it was not like Kit Kat.
It was not like
It was
Kit Kat.
basically like a chip, but inside they had a filling which was of chocolate. So
चॉकलेट फिल्ड।
I don't remember
chocolate
having
filled
that.
chips.
You guys don't remember Hajmola.
No,
हाजमोला
I
आते
still
थे।
remember Hajmola.
मुझे अभी भी याद है, इतने पैकेट में
हाजमोला।
6 हाजमोला आती थी, छोटे वाले में।
हाजमोला,
और फिर
चटर
डब्बी भी
मटर।
आती थी।
And they had the arm flavor, which I loved, an imli flavor.
Yeah.
हाँ,
I think
मुझे
that
याद
was my favorite. Just-
Hajmola is going to be relatable for life. I mean, we need it for life. Yeah. So it's going to be
किसी को
there.
कुछ हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, गैस हुआ नहीं हुआ।
I think that's why मुझे कभी गैस नहीं हुआ बचपन
और क्या है, आई थिंक एक ये आता था, भूल गया, वो कैडबरी जैसा आता था, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, नाम क्या भूल गया मैं, याद नहीं आ रहा।
मिल्की चू बार.
Milky bar.
There was a Milky and then उसका एडवर्टाइज होता था मिल्की चू बार.
अच्छा,
Oh, okay.
It's chew, it's not chew.
Like
Going
उसका
down the
random
round
ये
track.
बना है।
तो रैंडमली अपन बचपन में तो क्या
हाँ.
चू
बचपन में तो-
जो भी है.
Because it was chewy, I remember. The Milky Bar.
Maybe.
और एक चीज जो मतलब फेवरेट थी मेरी वो थी वो 1 रुपए का जो पेप्सी आता था like
ओह
yeah
राइट।
That's not Pepsi, that's Pepso.
yeah Pepsi yeah that's like that thing yeah
No, the Pepsi would be I think 1 rupee, and then the Pepsi would be the square thing, right? The
Oh,
rectangle.
you're right. Yes.
Which was I think 2 rupees.
अलग अलग कलर के अलग अलग
अलग
फ्लेवर
flavors
थे,
है।
मैंगो, फिर स्ट्रॉबेरी,
And
काला कट्टा
काला कट्टा।
After a while, there was also milk in that. Something.
Which I hated.
Oh.
Which I hated.
I never tried
I
it,
only liked the water. Even in the candy, like the orange candy and the whatever the candies were, like the expensive candies would have like milk something inside, which I hated. I used to only like the one which had.
और फिर उसमें वैसे टंग
Lactose.
कंपटीशन करते थे कि नहीं तुम लोग
Oh!
किसका टंग सबसे ज्यादा कलरफुल है। तो उसके लिए काला कट्टा लेना पड़ता था।
Yeah, I remember one of my friends. So we used to play cricket, and then we used to carry 1 or 2 rupees for this at the end. One of my friends always used to forget this 1 or 2 rupees, and always he used to like shout out to his mom, like, "Mummy, ekkaj rupiya wal." So his name was given ekkaj.
oh that's sad yeah
That's how random it used to be.
That's how random Vaishali boys used to be.
to be more specific
I mean, there are random names in Beramba.
Just putting it like-
I think we should not go down
Let's
down
not get
track
there.
yeah और एक चीज जो लाइक मेरे को बहुत अभी भी याद आती है वो चौकी आता था 1 रुपए का आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइस हैव ट्राइड इट और नॉट
What is chocolate?
so it was like a chocolate basically and you just suck it from the container that you used to do that so it was literally suck it yeah so it is
Hey,
for one rupee.
actually, I think I remember. Was
Yeah.
it was a chocolate, right? In the
yeah it was a
plastic
chocolate
wrapper
yeah
at
in the
the
plastic
end.
wrapper you need to just suck it
Yeah, I think so. I remember. Yeah, I remember. Yeah.
that was pretty good
बट जो भी बोलो, सब लोग ने पार्ले जी तो खाया ही होगा।
पार्ले जी तो अभी भी चलता है
पार्ले जी तो अभी भी खाते हैं।
Parle G is still favorite, man.
it's irreplaceable
Anytime.
इट्स लाइक एवरग्रीन,
चाय and
Evergreen,
ऑल
evergreen.
टाइम। और पार्ले जी का फिर वो कॉम्पिटिटर था एक टाइगर बिस्किट,
Tiger
उसके जैसा
biscuits,
सिमिलर आया।
Tiger biscuit, tiger biscuit.
वो चला गया
Tiger
बट
भी
पार्ले
अच्छा
जी
आता
आता
था, हाँ।
मार्केट में
और फिर कुकीज में आई थिंक ये भी पॉपुलर था, लिटिल हार्ट्स और ये सब भी आता था, जो अभी भी आता है।
which was also owned by Parle. I think Parle was a company.
Parle
हाँ,
was a
started
big
with
company.
Parle.
Parle
Yeah,
नहीं
Parle.
कर रहे थे वो, हाँ।
Which was in Ville Parle, which I had visited.
Yeah,
I remember
factory.
from school
And
they took us
they
there.
just recently shut down that factory.
Oh.
Yeah, I think
They
because
shifted
of
it
some-
or they.
No, they just permanently shut down that particular factory,
Hmm.
but I don't know where they went. But that factory got closed.
I still remember sometimes while traveling to train. in
Yeah,
trains,
you can literally smell
yeah, you
the
could smell the Parle.
biscuits. Yeah.
Freshly baked biscuits.
Yeah,
और
but
फिर वो आता था, अगर तुमको याद हो, मिल्की वे ऐसा कुछ
Yeah,
आता था, उसमें ऐसे फेस बना होता था, क्रीम होती थी अंदर,
Yeah, Mickey
दो
Mouse
बिस्किट
and
के
all,
बीच
yeah.
में क्रीम होती थी और फिर आँख होता था उसपे
Oh,
और
I used
स्माइली
to
होता
love
था।
those. Yeah,
Yeah,
और
yeah,
फिर
yeah.
आई रिमेम्बर दैट।
what
तुम्हें
was
याद है
that?
कि नहीं?
It was a creamy biscuit basically,
Creamy biscuit.
which the top
फेस
biscuit
बना होता था उसपे और फिर
had
आँख
had some like a smiley face cut out, and then there was white cream.
Hmm.
in between.
हाँ,
I remember.
Okay, I remember Jim Jam.
Yeah,
Ah,
Jim Jam
Jim
had
Jam.
jam
There's the
filling.
jam at the
At the center.
Okay, so like there is a constant debate on the internet or like on Instagram. So what do you guys prefer? Oreo versus Jim Jam? What do you say?
Jim Jam.
Oreo.
I would go with
Jim
Oreo.
Jam.
I would go with
I don't think I'm
Oreo.
an Oreo fan. I think
Yeah,
I
like
Jim Jam.
most of the people who are born in like 1990s and 2000s, they are like literally fan of Jim Jam. But yeah,
Even in 2000s, there
Yeah,
was
yeah,
Jim Jam.
2000s,
I thought
yeah.
Oreo came
because I
before.
like Oreo, I like Jim Jam, so I'm saying from that perspective. But
So there is, I don't think I hate the one over the other, but I think
Yeah.
Oreo, I feel it's
I think I've had Oreo like a lot more coming to US.
That's
and
why maybe.
I'm missing out on Jim Jam. That's why maybe I'm saying Jim Jam.
yeah,
right now.
that's
But
that's my reason.
आई डोंट नो तुम लोग की हाइट बढ़ेगी नहीं, बट वो कॉम्प्लेन और ब्रिटानिया और वो सब पिया करते थे, अगर तुमको याद हो तो।
I don't know
Yeah.
about Complan, but I bought Milo because I used to get free bet with it.
I used to drink Bonvita, so
I used
Oh,
to
yeah,
drink,
that
I
was
was
fun.
Bonvita family.
yeah, that was
Me too,
my
me too,
go-to.
yeah. और बॉर्नविटा को है ना वो, आई डोंट नो तुमने ऐसे किया है कि नहीं, उसको सिर्फ पाउडर में ही
हाँ,
खाते
हाँ,
थे, वो भी
खाली
मजा
सिर्फ।
आता था।
Bonvita,
Without milk,
I
you
do
just have it with
It's just basically energy, right?
yeah, you just have
Chocolate
it like
and sugar. I don't know.
I
Back
still
in
do
the days,
that. I
yeah,
still do that when I'm in Houston. So
Yeah.
they have this Bonvita for my young cousin, and I
Oh, you
just
have
smuggled it.
I actually kept Bonvita when I was studying in Savannah. Just
Same here.
because-
I also brought it from India.
Just because I had nothing.
It's convenient,
to do.
easy
yeah.
to
It's so good. Like have a milk and then just
It's
warm
like
it up a bit
instant
and
energy.
then just yeah.
Instant energy.
Like I have never had only milk, so I don't actually like the taste of the milk alone. So I always used to put
something.
Bonvita
Same,
on
same,
it
same.
because
same.
that's been my habit. So
Yeah, but
But
now.
Bonvita used to be very popular back then, I remember.
yeah, it's still popular. I guess
Hmm,
people do
still
drink it.
popular.
Bonvita.
और कोई ऐसे एनर्जी ड्रिंक कुछ याद आ रहा है तुमको जो प्रीवियसली मिलता था? आई डोंट नो, मुझे ड्रिंक से ये याद है, स्लाइस अभी मिलता है इंडिया में, मुझे पता
Oh,
नहीं।
the fruity.
माजा स्लाइस।
Yeah.
It's like fruity.
Yeah, it's all the same at the end. I feel now. Slice, Maza, Mangola.
I don't know.
Slice used to be little thick, I feel.
Yeah,
I
Maza
thought
and
slice
slice are a
was
bit
thin.
thick,
Yeah.
Really? I
and
thought
fruity was thin actually.
या तो थिक मजा आता था थोड़ा पीने का।
Fruity था पानी पी रहे ऐसा लगता था basically, just sweet and water.
That's true.
और कुछ याद आ रहा है किसी को?
Now let's change the topic. Instead of like all of this, let's talk
अच्छा,
about
memories.
summer memories, like summer vacation.
Summer
memories.
vacations, yeah.
I used to enjoy time. I used to just play cricket all the time in the morning, come home, play video games,
Yeah,
go to
I-
Jamaat Khana. To be honest, like
Come back home and then again go down to play.
yeah,
something.
come back home, change.
Volleyball,
Sometimes not
badminton.
even change.
Yeah.
Just play in the same clothes. Your mom will shout at the end.
Yeah, रोज रोज धोने में जाता है, समझता है कि नहीं.
I used to love like from February, the month of February, I used to just dream about like going in the train, sitting in the train, and then going to Wow, and then Samu Lagan. Oh my God, that
Yeah.
used to be a thing back then.
Everything used to revolve around Samu Lagan. So Samu
Yes.
Lagan is on this date, so
You have to plan accordingly.
we
Yeah.
go 4 days, 5 days before that, and then after Samu Lagan we stay so and so many days. Then we come back. So everything used to revolve around that thing. But
Samulagan was like kind of Coachella for us, but basically we didn't have anyone doing anything, but we just used to go for
Like a
weddings and
festival.
everything. Yeah.
Especially when you have the
was-
wedding at your own place.
Yeah,
Oh my
that
God.
was-
it was
that's a
Moments,
crazy.
Moments, Sunburn.
Moments Sunburn. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that is true.
Wait, what was that?
And we literally used to get sunburns.
Festival.
Yeah, because it was very hot during that time.
But it didn't used to feel that hot for some reason.
Yeah.
Like I think,
because they
Maybe
started
because you
Gola.
were used to it.
yeah, because by the
Maybe
time
Gola used to compensate.
Gola and Rasna,
Gola and
Rasna
Rasna and
Sharbat.
Rasna.
I think because
I know.
by,
I remember कि रसना पी के है ना गला स्क्रैच होने लगता था अंदर से.
But
But
you
you
would
still used to drink.
drink
Yeah.
it,
you
right?
would still not give up.
रसना से याद आया.
And
रसना
maybe
भी
because they
पीते
also installed sprinklers like at the end, I guess.
That was pretty
That
late.
was
Yeah.
way later.
Yeah.
They started installing that.
Yeah, after that they stopped Samulagan
Yeah.
altogether, which was quite sad.
Yeah. People were like ये ज़्यादा ही comfortable हो रहा है, अभी मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है.
It's like a get together, big mela types like.
It was really good actually, Just to meet so many new people back then.
Yeah, kind of socializing spot for us.
And that was also very funny because our generation started seeing this Facebook and all this shit in
Yeah.
2010. And I remember there was a boom where earlier we didn't used to know anyone from Daisar, from Mira Road, whoever, whatever. But then after that, people started sending this random requests and we used to just start talking to each other. And Samulagan used to be the first starting point where you used to like first see them.
See them or yeah,
Yeah.
I remember that.
Visualize the names.
Yeah. I think
Yeah,
I
like-
think we are that people like who have seen like
Both
both,
the-
the worlds.
both the
yeah,
worlds,
kind
yeah,
of.
the
So we started off
Normal
basically
physical contact plus
and
the
then-
virtual one also.
And then we also saw the rise of social media.
The
so
shift
yeah,
from-
From absolutely no social media to like this
from meeting
level.
in person to the Zoom meeting.
And now working from home
Home.
completely.
I think समूलगन के बाद वो वलीमा बोलते थे पता है जो शादी हो
Yeah,
गई फिर
And that was a
physical-
different struggle.
It was like-
So you are there for attending one house, but then you go to
End up attending everyone's house.
yeah, you are invited to everyone's house.
Everybody
That was
gives you
Rasna,
chai or
chai.
rasna or fruity or whatever. So,
Or Pepsi or Coke.
Coke,
yeah.
I don't understand why.
And
Like, that
you-
was a thing
मतलब
back
if you
then.
are gonna have this alternately, definitely your gala is going to go because
Yeah.
वो पता है वो gangs
and there
of
was not
Wasseypur-
even an option. You need to
You
have
had to
something.
take
You have to say
something.
take
Yeah,
some amount.
Yeah.
वो
If
gangs
you
of-
don't, that becomes an offense.
Yeah,
So-
kind of
वो
disrespectful. yeah.
गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर में वो है ना वो सरदार खान वो सीन प्रेप करने के लिए वो क्या करता था बीड़ी फूकता था और फिर ठंडा पानी पीता था ये ऐसा हो गया कि गरम चाय ठंडा
तो वो भी control नहीं
to be
होगा।
funny a lot of fun yeah as kids actually yeah lot of fun
Yeah, as kids, I would say it would feel so awkward to meet our friends back from Mumbai in the Gao. I just felt like so different meeting them.
Yeah, it was fun.
कभी कभी ऐसा लगता था कि मतलब सपोज जैसे मैं दहीसर से हूँ तो मेरे दोस्त लोग काफ़ी ऑब्वियसली अलग अलग गाँव के थे जो भी था तो उधर जाके ऐसा काइंड ऑफ राइवलरी लगता था क्योंकि अभी भाई
Abhi, you're not from the
Yeah,
same place
yeah, we are
anymore,
not from the
right?
same place
Yeah,
anymore,
that is.
yeah.
I think that's why I was saying it felt a little
then it
awkward.
becomes
दहीसर में
like,
जाएगा तो
पहले
बात
ऐसे था कि
करेंगे, ठीक है।
दहीसर versus other places like जोगेश्वरी मीरा रोड वहाँ पे ऐसे हो जाता था कि
This Gao, that
versus-
Gao.
yeah so
And I think after a point, like the groups, the friends, they used to do a thing where they used to take a car, rent a car, and then go to every gaon and then just have like I have touched 32 gaons or whatever.
हाँ 32 नहीं
22 yeah
Yeah, I think this
Bali
is
22. No,
this is
Yeah.
pretty recent, I guess. This is
yeah
what
अभी नया trend है newbies
these
The-
newbies, millennials started. Not millennials, Gen Zs.
Gen Zs.
Gen Zs.
or
The-
Gen Y
The other thing which I
This
liked
is
the
safe.
most was that the kind of affection which we used to get when
Yeah.
we used to meet our grandparents and like
Yeah, true.
everyone treated us like to be their own family. So that was really important for me because we kind of miss that in our city life.
right
Yeah, so,
yeah meeting
So that was really
grandparents.
great.
And also, I don't know if you guys used to go to like Khet and all.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh,
yeah.
love it.
All
lovely,
life, yeah.
Yeah,
lovely.
we used to love it. Because you remember, purane, like not purane, but back when you were a kid or whatever, you were इधर नहा रहे थे और क्या बोलते हैं ये कुएं में नहा रहे थे और वेल और वो सब memories.
Right now,
also
like
going
right now,
through-
like we
Yeah,
have full water and the kuwa as well. So
Nice.
whenever I go, I take a dubki.
Take a
Yeah.
That's where I tried to learn swimming.
Yeah, same, exactly.
first
Yeah.
place where you started learning swimming.
First place.
But yeah, that is to be fun. और फिर भैंस वैस के साथ थोड़ा ऐसे
No, we used to make
Selfie
friends with the
Yeah.
buffaloes, Like, no, really. Like, all of our cousins were like at least 12 or like with a joint
सबकी
family.
एक भैंस होती है.
Yeah, and we used to only make sure that that buffalo gets to eat maximum.
Oh, yeah, that's great.
इतना खाओगे तो छोड़ोगे. वो कुणाल कैमरा
इतना प्रसाद खिलाओगे तो छोड़ेंगे. नहीं, उनका प्रसाद भी यूजफुल होता है.
Cow dung.
वो भी है.
So like what do you think about migrating to other country? Like basically like our parents migrated from the villages to the cities and now we have come from the cities to a different, altogether different country. So what do you think is the importance of migration in our lives?
I think migration mostly सब लोग opportunities के लिए जाते हैं या to make their life better. So in that sense it works out. Because गाँव में अगर देखेंगे तो opportunities होती नहीं है तो then they move to Mumbai and then they found some jobs and whatever. So उनके लिए अलग hardship था, but I think that is what the main motivation is, better quality of life I guess. तो इसलिए लोग है ना US Canada भी prefer कर रहे हैं.
But now what next? Like what?
Yeah,
are
अभी हम
next
मून पे जाएंगे,
generation?
इलॉन का वेट कर रहे हैं.
They go. China.
No, I think US and Canada are like basically from developing country to a developed country,
Yeah.
so it doesn't matter.
So now that this is going to be a stagnant life for the rest of the generation.
I don't know.
No. They'll always keep on evolving. Like we have been nomads. Like पहले से ही moving from one place to another. It's just going to change now. Maybe अगर मून का हो गया, अभी ग्रुप 1 पे भी मिल रहा है ना, you can buy land. तो फिर तुमको
Yeah,
तुम
exactly.
मून पे जाओगे जैसे
Yeah.
अभी तो eventually you'll evolve, keep on evolving.
Yeah, but on this planet, I guess if you are in a developed country, then of course, like I don't know where else you want to go. Yeah, you might switch countries depending on where you find comparatively better
right.
life, but pretty sure there would be a few people who would want to, who have a good, well settled life in US, would want to go back.
बट
To a
माइग्रेशन
developing
से
country.
याद आया मुझे, माइग्रेशन में सबसे बड़ा माइग्रेशन क्या हो सकता है? लाइक हमको ऐसे लगता है कि फॉर अपॉर्चुनिटीज वी मूव राइट, बट सबसे बड़ा वन ऑफ द माइग्रेशन इन इंडिया इज just like girls getting married, right? They have to go from one village to another, one city to another.
Yeah.
So I think
That is a very different hardship altogether, which nobody can feel except for when you have to actually do it.
yeah. So I think that is the biggest migration, but we don't realize that because we always think in terms of where we are going for jobs and opportunities. But yeah,
But that's not a migration. That's like
I mean for girls, if
girls,
like
yeah.
for in our community, because we are within that community, like like geographically very close by, right?
by,
Location.
yeah. So it
Maybe
doesn't
we
affect
don't
that
feel, but
much.
at
Yeah.
least for others, like if they go from, let's say, some people go from South India to Delhi or UP to Gujarat and not vice versa.
oh yeah, that
That way, yeah.
No, but even from one gaon to another, if you get married, that's a big migration, right? It's not It's
I mean,
not
same
Migrate-
culture, at least
so
culture-wise, we are in same culture.
So I think definition of migration is not one person moving around.
No,
Yeah.
so that
Migration
constitutes
is,
migration.
Total, yeah.
A
Lot of
large
people.
population
moving, but in
somewhere.
this case, like lot of people within the same city moving out to some other city. I
Oh, so
think
you
that's
are
the biggest.
considering like lots of girls getting married and
Yeah,
moving
I
out
think
to
that is
anywhere.
one of the biggest migration in India, at least from what I know.
Yeah, that's what tradition dictates.
Yeah.
But that's I guess open now. It's not that.
अभी
Yeah,
लड़का
because
भी जा
like
सकता है
everyone is
किसी
leaving, so they leave
It's not
together.
necessarily like a girl.
अभी तो
leaves
लड़का
house.
लड़की दोनों चले जाते हैं और कहीं
Yeah,
और city में भी
exactly.
रह
It's
सकते
not
हैं, जहाँ
like a
पे
girl
opportunities.
leaves
Yeah,
her
अभी
place and
वो
goes
change
to
हो
a
गया.
guy's place. It's
Agree,
open
agree.
now.
Yeah, definitely agree.
With exceptions, of course. Yes.
तो पर तुम लोग जब US आए तो what was your biggest struggle, like culturally या फिर in terms of like doing stuff on your own या क्या, what was the most challenging part, at least
I think cooking.
cooking?
I
Yeah,
never-
cooking has to be
Yeah.
the one like.
I never
learned
used to
so-
cook anything. Had absolutely no idea what different masalas do, how to. I don't know what things to watch out for cooking, but that was a quick learn. But after that, I guess a lot of things like in our culture, if you see, at least from my generation, we were not so tech savvy. We were not so much actively checking emails and stuff like that. Like just book knowledge, have your shit done. That's all. But I think networking and everything is something that needed to be learned after coming from here.
Yeah.
Right, true.
But I think more than that, for me, basic things like doing your own laundry or cleaning.
Yeah,
or
doing stuff
everything,
independently,
And
yeah.
plus, on top of that, studying, which was like, everything was a task for me. It was like a big shift.
Yeah, सब कुछ से
In
करना
the
पड़ता है.
initial
managing-
months, I was not able to even like manage everything, but
Yeah.
then eventually like we sort of
We settle in, yeah.
yeah. But that was a big shock. The first day was like, oh my god, really?
Yeah, I think I remember first, second day or something, I was still jet lagged and tired, and I woke up suddenly. And then मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि मैं इंडिया में ही हूँ जब मैं सो रहा था. And then I suddenly woke up in between, and then I realized, oh, I was in like US, और इधर कोई लोग कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, एकदम lonely है. And then I started really feeling lonely.
Yeah,
Much
so-
more lonelier than I felt like when I moved that day.
Did you land in Texas or did you
No,
land in
Atlanta,
Georgia?
directly Atlanta, yeah.
Oh,
But it was like a shock to me. It's like, oh, I'm not at home.
I'm by
not in
myself.
Mumbai. I'm
Like
in-
there's nobody to look
Yeah,
after.
there's
Yeah,
nobody.
like
इधर
so
तो कोई चल भी
5,000
नहीं रहा है
miles away
नीचे.
from your home.
This is a really important thing, right? What you are saying, that you get a reality check.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because when we are at our home and in our city, like our parents don't make us feel that.
Yeah.
But when we have to suddenly move out and when we have to do things on our own,
Yeah.
it's
Sure.
like
and we mostly take things for granted
yeah,
when we're back
yeah,
in there,
exactly,
right?
yeah.
It's like, oh, you
So
know,
this
everything's
is-
ready for us, and
this
then
is-
when we realize, oh gosh,
this is
takes
like
so
a
much time.
this is
Yeah,
like
yeah.
a big reality check for us that okay.
एकदम independent
Yeah.
पूरा कुछ से करना है, सब कुछ. Yeah.
Yeah, that way I was very dependent, but then. you
But
know,
culturally, did you find anything shocking here, like when you moved? कि-
Yeah, especially when there was no Jamaat Khana every day. Oh god, that was a
Yeah.
big cultural shift. I felt so empty because I was so much involved in Seva back then,
Yeah,
back in
same
India.
here.
And after coming to US, I just felt so empty, just because that Seva thing was out, and I didn't know what to do for the time that was left over, because that was filled by Seva for at least for me. It was a big shift.
Yeah, I think even like basic things like socially, if I remember,
Yeah.
इधर जो courtesy और वो जो होता है, right? ऐसे भी in general अगर आप door you are just following and
Yeah.
then you have to hold door for someone.
Yeah.
या फिर you cannot walk too close. Like initially,
Yeah.
I've been like ऐसे अगर किसी के close गए, जैसे इंडिया में कैसे एकदम close चलते हैं, right? Then you will be like they'll be intimidated. They'll be like
Okay,
you know,
yeah.
keep some distance kind of. Then you learn all that eventually. कि oh, here
Also
you have to.
because in India there are so many people. There
Yeah,
is-
yeah.
We don't have any
Give
place.
them
Yeah.
space.
No place. Because वहाँ पे ट्रेन में उतरने के टाइम पे ही और like you are like doing धक्का वक्का whatever, and then here it's like completely like even randomly walking, it's like you have to maintain your space and whatever. It's like
Yeah, so the environment also kind of changes, because suppose if in like in our case we all are like we came from Mumbai, so Mumbai is like a really bustling
Crowded
city
place.
and a crowded place, so we are used to that. And suddenly if you shift to some place where there is complete silence, then I think that's also a bit
Silence
difficult.
was another thing.
Yeah,
It was
yeah.
super
Because
silent.
yeah. And dark streets was another thing. Like रात में इधर like street lights बहुत कम होती है, and it feels so dark. और इंडिया में ऐसे होता है कि it's रोशनी everywhere,
Yeah.
because सब कुछ चालू होता है.
And yeah,
people are-
everything used to stay open till
yeah,
like 12
till
o'clock.
late,
or
yeah.
1
And,
It's
then,
because-
and it's like at least in Mumbai there is a different life. Day में अलग life होती है, रात में
रात
अलग
में
life.
अलग,
ऐसे
yeah.
रात में भी life,
Yeah.
it's constantly moving that city. So
Yeah, I think I
Mumbai
miss,
never
I
sleeps.
miss
Yeah.
nightlife.
Yeah, I miss nightlife.
yeah, तो इधर
exactly.
अचानक से ऐसे शिफ्ट आता है कि अरे इधर तो सब 8:30 9 बजे सब
And also one thing like which affected me was that first of all I was living away from my family. That was one thing, and upon that I was living in a city of like in a city like Chicago, which basically has too many criminal activities going around. So whenever we used to go out, so there was a constant fear that what if something happens to me,
happen, yeah.
like how will my family react
Yeah,
and all
yeah,
that
true.
stuff.
I
So
can
yeah, we
imagine.
always used to be like very careful
You have
about
to be
where
safe,
we are
yeah.
going out. So
Even
that
to
is-
take a walk down, you have to be like
that is
worried,
really
think about
important.
100 things.
And you basically cannot go out alone because you
Yeah.
never know what will happen next. So,
और इंडिया में वैसा कभी सिचुएशन था
हाँ,
ही
इंडिया
नहीं.
में एटलीस्ट मुंबई में तो सेफ लगता था
Safe
कि भाई
लगता था,
रात को अभी भूख लगा है तो नीचे जाके मेडिकल स्टोर से कुछ भी लेके आ
Right,
सकते हो.
right,
सो दैट फ्रीडम मे बी इज अ बिट लॉस्ट ओवर हियर.
Yeah, true. I agree.
Yeah, the factor of fear is a valid point, because I was in Savannah and it was the same thing. And we used to hear gunshots and we were always sleeping.
Yeah.
And then we used to all wake up together and just like confirm, were they gunshots or what were they?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think in that sense I like this place at least. You can walk, you can go
Yeah.
out at least
Yeah,
in the
this
night
is pretty
also.
good, yeah.
Because this is India basically.
Yeah,
Too many Indians.
so
Yeah.
that's true.
Alright, I have to go to Jamaat Khana so you guys can continue.
Okay.